I am making steamed mussels with a rich and flavorful pesto cream sauce, so keep watching and cook with me. Check out ivyskitchen.net for the recipe and tag me on social media if you do recreate my dish. Start off by giving your mussels a good cleaning. Rinse and soak in flour with water. The flour will help expel any grits. While that sits, prepare your veg. Wash your fennel and remove the outer layer. Slice into half moons. Slice your shallots the same way. By now, your mussels should be ready. Give it a good clean with several rinses. Use a brush to scrub the shells if needed. Don't forget to pull the beard. If you have mussels that won't close back up, get rid of them. It's dead. Heat up butter and oil. Add your fennel and shallots. Saute until fragrant. Add wine and simmer until reduced by half. Add your mussels and cook for about 2 minutes. Give it a good shake. Add the cream and pesto sauce. Cover and cook only until mussels open. Set aside mussels to allow the sauce to thicken. Season with salt and pepper, and that's it. Doesn't that look delicious? Yum! Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on that like button so YouTube can share my video with new viewers. And don't forget to hit the bell so you're notified each time I post a new video.